Hi, I'm Olivia, and welcome to The Week That Was, a 60-second-ish look at what happened this past week at SJIES. Start the clock. Monday started with our whole school assembly, Grade 2 had their celebration of learning, and there was also a Christmas showcase rehearsal for Prep 2 and Grade 1. The virtual this week, generosity. Tuesday started with a Christmas showcase performance with the students putting their excellence and courage on show for their family and friends. Prep 1 LCH and EDO had their nativity rehearsal. Wednesday, Grade 4 JRI had their trip to the Science Center. Prep 1 LCH and EDO had their nativity performance, and then it was a turn of Prep 1 KDE and LAG to have the rehearsal for the performance on Thursday. Thursday, there was another excellent nativity performance shared by Prep 1 KDE and LAG. Friday, the Prep 2s had an exit point for their IPC topic, Seeing the Light. Grade 6 attended the high school's final assembly, and 4 RKE had visited the Science Center as part of their Bake-It unit. Friday ended with the elementary school attempting to set the Singapore record of most people taking part in a Kaylee. On behalf of Jess, Zara, Alana, Michaela, and the rest of the Week That Was team, I'm Olivia, and we'll see you again next week.